Alright everybody, welcome back to another turn of Operation Outer Space. This will be turn 2 for Japan. That'll be January of 1937. As always, we will start with the tech rolls, and we will be rolling for LRA with a hit on an 8 or higher, and heavy armor with a hit on an 8 or higher. We got a miss on LRA and a miss on heavy armor. Classic Japanese tech. Alright, over to the purchases. We have 19 to spend. We are going to spend it all. We're buying 2 militia upgrades, 1 artillery, 2 marines, and 1 infantry, for a total of 19. We have no combat moves to declare, so let's just jump straight into the non-combats. The submarine from P-32, coastal submarine, is moving to P-41. The coastal submarine from P-34 is moving to P-43. The Marine in Kyushu is boarding a destroyer from P-15. They're both moving over to P-14, and the Marine will disembark into Rihi. And around Manchuria, we have 2 infantry walking from eastern Manchuria to Rihi. 1 infantry being railed from northern Manchuria to Rihi. And the motorized infantry driving from Rihi to northern Manchuria. And then we also have the fighter from eastern Manchuria flying up and joining the northern Manchuria 18th Air. That should cover all. I did miss one more non-combat movement. 2. 2 naval transports are moving from P-14 to the fleet on P-15, the second fleet. And one of the naval transports from P-15 is going to be using strategic naval movement 1, 2, 3, 4 to the Marshall Islands. That will cover all of our movements. Let's go ahead and get into the placement phase. Start with recruit rolls. In Siam, we'd be rolling with a hit on a 1 or less. That's a 1, that's a hit. I'll just put up a neutral infantry for now and call it Siamese. I will probably get a pink infantry before I pass the file over. For the Dadao, we are going to be rolling for an attempt on Suyan, which will be hit on a 1 or less as well. That is a 3, that is a miss. Suyan stays neutral. Alright, on to collecting income, placing buys. We do collect 19. And place all of our buys. The artillery is being placed in Manchuria, 41st Army. 1 militia upgrade is going in eastern Manchuria. There we go. And the other one will be in the Marshall Islands. Alright. The remaining 3 units will all be placed in the major factory in Kyushu. And that should leave everything more or less in place to pass everything off to MadManDan for the next British Commonwealth and France turns. So we'll leave it at that and say best of luck on your next turns, on your next rolls.